Hello, everybody. My name is Tara Greatorex, and I'm the other faculty member along with Dan, who will be traveling with you all to Colorado. I'm super excited to have this experience with you all, to travel with you all to Colorado. I normally teach in the language and culture department. I teach English as a second language and Spanish, but I've also taught sociology, and I've also worked with Dan before on sustainability courses. I've led several study abroad programs to Italy, Vienna and Prague, and Italy, and Argentina. And traveling is my passion. I've traveled to 25 countries and hoping to add more all the time, and probably about 25 states too. I have not been to Colorado, so I'm excited to explore with you all for the first time. I love the outdoors. I love mountains, so it's going to be amazing to see all of the nature in Colorado. I'm also passionate about sustainability. I'm a vegan. I love animals, and also, as you may learn in this course, cutting down animal products, eating animal products is a great way to be more sustainable, and lower your carbon footprint and help out the environment. So that's just one of the things that we can all do. And you're going to learn a lot this semester about more things that we can do to try to be more sustainable. I'm always around along with Dan to answer any questions or help you out with anything. So feel free to, email me. I can meet with you on Zoom or in person. I normally work on the Wilmington and Stanton campuses. So any of the northern campuses I'm around. And yeah, I'm looking forward to a great semester and meeting you all. See you soon.